Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make creamy Cajun orzo. And this is a flavorful one-pot meal. The orzo is cooked in some chicken broth, some tomato sauce, some heavy cream, and it's topped with sausage. And this is a quick and easy meal that's going to leave your taste buds happy. But first order of business, if you guys enjoy this video and you do like my recipes, please click on that subscribe button below and that will definitely help to support me. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have some sausages. These are spicy jalapeno chicken sausages that I picked up from Trader Joe's, but you could use whatever sausages that you prefer. You could use andouille, which have like a slight kick, just like these ones do. You could use smoked sausages. You honestly don't even have to use sausages. You can use chicken, you could use shrimp. I want you guys to take this orzo recipe as a base and top it with whatever protein you desire. We do love chicken sausages from Trader Joe's, but I've never tried this jalapeno one. I just thought, why not try something spicy with the spicy orzo? So yes, I'm really excited to try these sausages today. And you wanna cut them in like a diagonal. They just look nicer that way. When I first tried out this recipe, I did try it out with andouille sausages, and I had the sausages cooking with the orzo at the same time. But for some reason, after it was done cooking, I felt like the orzo had absorbed all the flavor from the sausages. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to saute the sausages first, cook up the orzo, and then add the sausages at the end. All right, our sausages are nice and sliced up. I'm going to grab the bell pepper. So here I have one red bell pepper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a dice. When it comes to bell peppers, I almost always use red. I just feel like it has the best flavors. Unless I'm making a dish where I need like a contrast of colors, then I'll add some green bell peppers to it. But I always like the flavor of the red bell peppers. And my hubby, who absolutely loves Cajun flavors and loves orzo, orzo is like his favorite shaped pasta. He's gonna be so excited that I'm making this today. It's like the best of both worlds for him. All right, our bell peppers are nice and diced up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rest of our ingredients. The great thing about this recipe is how quick and easy it is. It all cooks up in one pan and it doesn't take long at all. So we are gonna also be needing some minced garlic. I have some minced garlic here, a diced onion, some orzo. Orzo is basically pasta in the shape of rice. We are going to be needing some chicken broth, some tomato sauce, and then some heavy whipping cream. And if you're like me and you buy heavy cream by the pint and you don't wanna waste the rest, we're only gonna be needing a cup of this, is I like to include like other recipes that include heavy cream in my meal plan. Like for instance, I'll probably use the rest of this heavy cream in like my Tuscan chicken. And if you need ideas for meals that include heavy cream, I do have quite a few of them if you wanna check that out. And last but not least, the Cajun seasoning. And this is really gonna make our dish so flavorful. And I do like this brand, it's Cajun's Choice, but you could use whatever Cajun seasoning that you like or whatever you have on hand. Okay, so we are ready to get cooking. Meet me over at the stove. Okay, so I have my pan heated over medium-high heat. I'm going to add in some oil along with our chicken sausages. And since they're already cooked through, I'm just looking to brown these guys up. Okay, so I just took a bite of one of these sausages and they are kind of on the spicier side. So if you don't want your sausages to be spicy, don't use these jalapeno ones that I got from Trader Joe's or andouille sausage because they have a bit of spice as well. You can also just use a smoked sausage, or kielbasa will also work too. Okay, so these guys are looking good and nice and browned. I'm going to remove and set them aside. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I have my heat set to medium, and I'm going to add in our onions, our bell peppers, and some garlic. And I'm gonna cook them down until they're slightly softened, maybe about 4 minutes or so. All right, our veggies are looking good here. Time to add in the orzo. So I'm going to be adding about 1 3/4 cups of orzo. So not quite the whole bag. And you'll have a bit left over here. You could add this to soup. It's really good with soup as well. I'm going to add a little more oil and just cook this for another minute. All right, it is time to add in our chicken broth. So I'm going to need about 3 cups of chicken broth. All right, in goes the 3 cups. I'm also going to add 8 ounces of canned tomato sauce, as well as 1 cup of heavy cream. And this is going to be such a luxurious sauce. Give it a stir here. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of our Cajun seasoning. And then we'll check to see if we need more. This does have like a kick to it, but it's nothing you guys can't handle. And this does already contain some salt, so I don't think we need any additional salt. And this really is a quick and easy, fuss-free recipe that really anyone can make. And the great thing about today is we just use the cooked sausages, so we didn't have to deal with anything raw today. Okay, so it has come to a boil, and I'm going to lower the heat to medium-low, cover and cook it for about 12 minutes until the orzo is tender. I am using this non-stick, non-toxic ceramic pan by Tramontina, which I love. But if you're using a pan that is non-stick, not non-stick, double negative, like a cast iron skillet or stainless steel, you wanna make sure to stir occasionally because you don't want the orzo to stick to the bottom of the pan. All right, lowering the heat to medium-low, covering it. See you guys in 12 minutes.
What are you making?
Orzo, Cajun orzo. All right, 12 minutes has passed. Let's check out our orzo. It'll look liquidy at first, but it's totally gonna absorb it once it sits. But yes, it is looking good, you guys. At this point, you could also stir in some baby spinach. Just stir it right in and it'll wilt in seconds. If you wanna get more veggies into this dish. Okay, so I'm going to add in our sausages. And like I mentioned, adding the sausages at the end will kind of keep that flavor intact. I'm also going to give it a taste to see if we need to add any more Cajun seasoning. And nope, it is perfect. It has a nice kick to it. And just because I had some on hand, I'm going to sprinkle over some chopped green onions. And it looks really pretty over this reddish orangey color. And there you have it, guys. Creamy Cajun orzo. Such a quick and easy, flavorful one-pan meal. Okay, moment of truth. It is time for the taste test. Since this is my hubby's favorite, I wanted to see if he wanted to be a part of the taste test, but I just checked and he's in a Zoom meeting, so I can't wait to try this. So sorry, he's gonna have to just taste it later. Anyways, okay, let's dig in. See how the sauce just kind of thickened up? Here, let me show you guys. It's a lot thicker now. Earlier it was like a little bit more looser, but as it sits, the sauce will just get creamier and thicken up. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm gonna do just the orzo first. Cheers, you guys. It is perfectly tender, creamy from the cream. That Cajun seasoning gives it so much flavor, a little kick. Delicious, you guys. And let's try the sausage along with a little bit more orzo. So great. If you guys love Cajun flavors, you're definitely gonna like this one. If you guys enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.